Salam, hello, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video series, we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 2. So today we'll learn 10 more new vocabulary words. Beautiful, zebo, khushru. Beautiful, zebo, khushru. Zebo, khushru. So it's the most beautiful place in the city. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. And we use zebo, khushru interchangeably. So when it comes to the person, we usually say odami khushru, beautiful person. And flower, for example, flower we say guli zebo, okay, beautiful flower, guli zebo. Ugly, zisht, bezep, zisht, bezep, zisht, bezep. What an ugly behavior. In chichislati zisht, in chichislati zisht. Bad, bad. So it sounds pretty much the same like in English. Bad news, said the guard. Khabari bad, guft postpone. Khabari bad, guft postpone. Good. Khub, naghs. Khub, naghs. Khub, naghs. We use both of them. So, you are expected to do a good job. Ashumo kori khub intizorand. Ashumo kori khub intizorand. Easy. Oson. 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 The rest was easy. Boqimonde oson bud. Boqimonde oson bud. Difficult. Mushkil. Dushvor. Mushkil. Dushvor. Mushkil and dushvor. We use both of them. I don't know, he said slowly. It's a difficult thing you ask. Namedonam, ohista guft ö. In jak chizi dushvoris ki shumo mepursid. Namedonam, ohista guft ö. In jak chizi dushvoris ki shumo mepursid. Small. Khurd. 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 The desk is too small for Shukrullo. Shukrullo is a male name. In mis baroy Shukrullo khele khurdast. In mis baroy Shukrullo khele khurdast. Big. Kalon. 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 Big girls don't cry. There's a famous song, Big Girls Don't Cry. In Tajik, Dukhtaroni kalon giriya namekunand. Dukhtaroni kalon giriya namekunand. Far. Dur. 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 Why did he live so far away from everything? Charo vai inqadar dur az hama chiz zindagi mekard. Charo vai inqadar dur az hama chiz zindagi mekard. Near. Nazdik. 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 People came from far and near to hear the famous violinist. Odamon az dur u nazdik baroy shunidani ghijaknavozi mashhur meomadand. Odamon az dur u nazdik baroy shunidani ghijaknavozi mashhur meomadand. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build the vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Okay, see you guys next week. Khair.